Okay, guys. So everything is fine now. Let me know that. Okay. So now everything is fine, guys. Use the chat box now. Okay. So now fine. Okay, now. So now we are going to what we will do now, guys. So first we will collect the information about what our REST controller provider side, right? So how we can save it now? How we can save it now, guys? So here, what is that Postman saver is there, right? We have need to put the entity class, right? And the method is what save. Okay, na. So what is that, come here. Okay, here what is that, we will change the post, we will take the post methodology. Okay, so after then what we will do now, come here. Okay, now save method we will call. Okay, now after then these things is not required. Okay, this one is not required. This is what our data. Okay, output data, copy, I'm copying this one. Okay, now to again, if we want to save the data, right, already some data is there previous, this is the, okay, I'm cleaning now. So to saving the data, what is that, body, this one, just delete these things. Okay, I will show each and everything again. Okay, so body, go inside body, select raw, and inside that, what is that, JSON data we are going to save it, right? So now what is that, select JSON dot application, right? After then inside that, here what we will do now, paste, uh, paste it. Okay, yeah, this is the JSON data, right? So now this one is not required already. Our Hibernate will create the ID. Okay, now Padma name is there. Now here I'm giving my name only, right? RAVI, Ravi, and password something different. Okay, okay, this is the password. Now mail, right? Mail. Okay, so now everything is fine. Now send it. Yeah, employee save successfully 3, right? Employee ID is what, 3. Now if you want to see that in the database, 2 record is there, now 3 record is there. Okay, now so these things I want to perform based on that, what, my application, guys, right? My application. But observe the what is that, observe what, Postman client. First observe the Postman client. I said that initially on the first day I explained, right? This part is what is that, header part. Okay, na, in the header part, what we are saving, content type and application JSON, guys. Okay, na, come here. I will explain again. Okay, na, I have need to, because of that I'm taking the time. Okay, yeah, these things. Okay, na, header part in the HTTP request, how many part is there, guys? 2 part is there, right? Header part and a body part. In the body part, what kind of data? This data we are sending, right? This data, where successful message we are getting, right? In the body part, what is that, what we are sending? JSON data. And header part, what is going now? Content type slash content type, right? JSON data, guys. Okay, na, JSON data. So same like, right? Same like. Okay, now so but whenever we are performing these operation, here what is that, UI tool is there, what is that, Postman. But whenever we are working on what, programmatically approach, right? Whenever we are working on what, programmatically approach, for that already objects are there. Already object Spring People is given what, predefined objects. Just we have need to use that objects, guys. Okay, na, so let's see that. Okay, na, so to perform, what is that, in the HTTP, right? In the HTTP, how many part is there, guys? 2 part is there, right? HTTP, how many part is there now? 2 part is there. What, first one is what, header. Header, first one is what, header part is there. Okay, na, second one is what, body part is there, right? In the body part, in the header part, which kind of information is there, guys? Which kind of information is there? Yeah, content, right? uh, yeah, Yeah, this is the request, right? Request type. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, now this one, what is that? HTTP request. Okay, now this one is what, guys? HTTP request, right? So this one having two part. Okay, now this one request having two part. What is that? What is that? Header part and body part. But to making the request by programmatically, guys, right? HTTP header object is there. HTTP header object is there. What is that? HTTP header object is there. In this HTTP header object, we will say we will perform this operation. Which operation? Like content type. We will put the content type inside this one. Okay. Inside header object. What we will do now? Content content hyphen typ type content type colon. What is that? Application. What is that? Application slash JSON, right? Application slash JSON. This data we will pass inside what? This data we will pass inside what? This data we will pass in the header object, right? And after then what we will do now? We will this header part we will store in the HTTP request. Okay, na? After then one more object is there whenever we are doing the programmatically approach, guys. Okay, na? Another one more operate. So to send the, but in the header part, what is that? This data will be there, right? This data based on this object we will perform header operation, right? After then another one more is there. What is that, guys? A body part is there, right? So for that body part is nothing but called inside in the client what? Entity. HTTP entity. HTTP entity, right? HTTP entity. Inside that HTTP entity, okay, na? So inside that HTTP entity, what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? JSON data. We will store the JSON data, right? Yeah. This is the body part. This is the entity body part. Okay, na? This is the entity body part. Okay, na? Inside that, what is that? A JSON data. We will store the JSON data. Okay, na? So both based on both, right? Based on this both. Okay, na? Okay, let's delete here. Okay, na? I will give much clarity. I want to give. Okay, na? So in the entity part, what we will do now? This header part we will store, and here what is that? Data. This is the JSON data. After then one method we will call, guys. Okay, now one method we will call. Which method we will call? Post for, right? Post for entity. Post for entity entity, right? Inside that, what we will pass? URL we will pass. After then what is that? Request we will pass. Okay, now request entity we will pass it. Okay, these two argument we will perform inside that. What is that? Inside that what? Post for entity. Okay, na? So this much operation we will do now. Then we can able to perform the post kind of operation, guys. Okay, na? So let's see that. Okay, na? Let's see that as a programmatically. Same things we will implement in what? Our application. Okay, na? Same things we will implement in what? Our application. Let's see that. Okay, let's see as a practical. Okay, na? Come to our client application, guys. Come to our client application. Now what I'm going to do now? I'm commenting this one. Okay, now fine. So first to make this post request. Okay, na? So URL need, right? So copy this URL. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now? Just I'm replacing this URL. Okay, na? Okay, I replace this URL. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, so come here. So for that I said that, right? So to header part, if we want to make that HTTP header, right? HTTP header, yeah, header equal to new HTTP header, right? HTTP header, fine, guys. So next what we will do now? Header dot what? Header dot what? Set content type, right? Set content type method is a set content type. Okay, na? Content what is that? Content type, right? Content type. Okay, na content type method is there. Inside that, what is that? Come here in the Postman, right? So header, right? Content type. To setting the content type, what is that? Application JSON, right? This is nothing but what is that? Media type, guys, right? I explained in the previous, already I explained in the previous session. Okay, na? So now what is that? This is the media type. Okay, na? So inside that, what we will do now? Media type dot, what is that? Application applications application slash JSON. We are sending the data, right? But here, what is that? Underscore JSON. 1 minute. Okay, this one, this is nothing but what is that? We are setting in the header part, what is that? JSON data. We are going to send from the our client, what is that? JSON data. Because of that, if you take here XML, then we can send the XML data, right? So now fine, guys. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, we set it, what is that? Header content means same as a Postman, right? Same as a header part. What is that? Media type is what is that? Application slash JSON, right? So same things, these things we completed. Header, see here, what is that? Our, what is the Postman also denoting these things as what? Header content. Okay, na? So header part, for to performing header kind of operation, what object we will use, guys? Header object, right? Inside that, what is that? Media type application, we will send the JSON data, right? In the, we will make the HTTP methodology as what? JSON. So for that, we set it the information, right? We set it the information. Next, what we will do now, guys? So already, what is that? We have the URL, right? We have the URL. Now entity type, come in the diagram. What is that? Another one is what? Entity object, right? Entity object, come here. Okay, now another one is what? Now create the http entity type, right? Entity inside that, what is that? Just take string only, right? String, generic type I'm using. Okay, so http, now make the request, right? req request equal to new, what is that? http entity, right? http entity. Okay, so here what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Uh, we will pass the JSON data also. We have need what? JSON data, right? JSON data to argument. This method is what? Overloaded method. Okay, header we are already passing, means header content we specify here. Okay, we specified now. And come here, come JSON data, right? Come in the body, right? This JSON data also we have need, guys. Okay, copy this one. Okay, copy this one. So here Ravi already saved, right? One more person we will take in the Pushpendra. Shall I take Amrani? Bharti? Okay, let's take the name here. What is that? Bharti, right? Bharti, and password is something different, right? Something, and female. Okay, another one Indian only. Okay, na? So this is data. With this data we have need to save it. But okay, so we have need to send this data, right? So now come here. Okay, na? So what we will do now, guys? What? Let's take this data also as a string only. Okay, string body. Okay, na? What are you doing? Your car is too much luxury. Don't worry about that. Your car is really too much luxury. Okay, now paste it. Okay, paste it. This is what? Our string data. Okay, now. So, guys, whenever this separator, right? Slash slash. Okay, multiple slash ins rkma. 1 minute. Jed. I don't want to make you people confused, right? So what I will do now? First, I will copy from here to Notepad. Okay, this is the data. Yes, now fine guys. This one is separating, right guys? This colon is there, right? This slash symbol. Whenever we are converting this string, we have need to JSON to means what to denote these strings, right? Mm. So this is what our JSON data, right? This is our JSON data. Same like here, we have need to pass this as a body also. This JSON data also. Okay, now fine. Fine guys, so now okay, so after then what is that, what we will do now guys? So we will make the response, right? We will make the response. Okay, so for that we have need to make what is that post methodology, right? To saving the data we have need to make the post, right? Post methodology. Okay now, so what is that? Rt dot post for entity, post for entity, right? Okay, this method here, what we are going to do now, we are passing the URL. After then what we will do now, this request we will store in the here only. After then what is that? String dot class. Now fine, run the application, and this method will return what is that? Response entity, right? Response entity rs. Okay, fine. So now let's run the application and we will see that our data is storing or not. Here what is that? Sysout sys out rs dot get body, right? We will get the success message. Okay na? Now run the application guys. Now run the application and we will see that. Okay, now run the application and we will see that. Yeah, see, employee save successfully 4, right? 4. We are getting the result or not? Okay, so now come in the database. 3 record is there, but here what is that? What is that? Bharti, right? Name is Bharti. Now refresh it. See, Bharti. Bharti data is scheme or not? So we developed our own client or not to saving the data. Okay, now. So now, okay. So now what is that? Another one more is there, right? What is that? Update it, right? Let's update the data. Let's, what is that? Update it. Okay, so for that put method is there, right? Put method is there in our end user guys. Yeah, employee controller, right? So let's gather the information about that. Let's gather the information about this one. Okay, okay, what is that? Put, right? Put update. Yeah, put this one update, right? So let's update it. Okay guys, let's update it. So for the updating purpose also guys, same only, right? But in this time what we will do now, but here for the updating purpose, but we will call the put method, right? We will call here. So let's do the same things only. Okay, so for that what is that information, what is that update? Okay now, copy this one. Okay now, after then, yeah, copy this one. Okay, come here, come in our what? REST client. Okay, come in what? Our REST client. Okay, so okay, let's comment this one. Okay, no, first copy this one same and comment this one guys. I commented. Okay, so now let's okay now I'm pasting the same code only guys. Okay now, same code only, where I have need to change I will give it. Okay now, I will give it. No, don't worry about that. Okay, so for that come here. Okay now, so here what is that guys? Come in the our REST controller. What is that? Updation. We have need to update our object, right? We have need to update our object. So for that update, here what is that? Put mapping we are using, right? Same like put method also there in the REST. What is that? Put method also there. Come here. Okay, come in the client. Okay, so instead of here, what is that? Here, yeah, here just call this one, right? Just call, what is that? Rt dot put, right? Rt dot, what is that? Put. Okay, so here URL is there, right? URL is there. So come here. Okay now, come in this section. So one time, 1 minute, get all. One minute, guys. I need what again? I don't want to grade to 1 minute. All right, all. Yeah, I'm copying because for the updation purpose, we have need what is that primary key also, right? Primary key also, then we can update it, guys. Because of that, I'm taking, okay, na? Don't worry about that. So what I'm going to do now here, just pasting. I'm pasting now, okay? So here, what is that? 101. So this record, which record you want? Amit is there, right? Amit. Now I'm making this record number 1, Amit Pushpendra. Pushpendra, right? Pushpendra male, and other thing is same only. Already Pushpendra data is there in the database. Padma, Amit, no, Pushpendra is not there. I want to update Amit, right? I want to update Amit. Okay, so now this is our JSON data, right? Yeah, this is our JSON data. Okay, guys. So now what we will do now? Copy this one. Okay, now copy this data. Okay, so same like come here. Come in the application, right? So in the body, right? Just remove this one. Okay, paste this one. Control Z. Why this one? This things is happening again. 1 minute, guys. Now fine. Okay, so this is our what? JSON data. Which one we have need to update it, right? Already Amit is there. I want in the ID number 1 to Amit. No, I don't want Amit name. I want what is that Pushpendra name, right? So for that, what we will do now? Here, what is that URL we will pass, and what is that this request we will pass it, guys. Okay, this request we will pass. Okay, now just a request we will pass it. But this method return type is nothing, guys. Okay, na this method is not return type is nothing. Because of that we are getting. Okay, so now fine, guys, everything is fine now. So after then what you will do now, just here write the sysout. Okay, na object is updated. Okay, fine. So now let's run the application and we will see that.
URL is different, I think.
Oh, okay. Now I think fine, right? Now run the application. Yeah, object is updated, guys, right? Object is updated. Now come here. Already what is that? Amit is there, right? The name is, see, Amit is there. Now it will become what is that? Now it will become what? Pushpendra. Refresh it. See, Pushpendra is now like that. We are using what is that REST client. Okay, based on that, what we will do now, guys? Like this, we are performing what? Operations, right? Now one more things is there, right? To delete the operation, right? One more is left, right, guys? Deleting the things. Okay, so for that, again, if you want to delete it, just no need. Okay, just no need. What we have need? Okay, now I want to delete what is that one record number 1. Okay, now so come in the rest come. Okay, now come to our rest controller. What is the endpoint information to delete it? For the deleting, remove /id we need, right? This is what our URL. Okay, now come here, come first postman, guys. Okay, now so here what we will do now, remove, remove, remove slash, what is that? I need to delete first one, right? But which kind of methodology our REST controller is taking now? Delete, right? Delete mapping. Okay, na delete mapping. So for that, to perform delete, what we will take, the which kind of delete, right? Delete methodology. We will just make the request. Now employee deleted. Okay, na in the database, come in the database, there is no data, that employee id 1 is deleted. Now another one is, what is that, let's say three record we want to delete based on that our own rest controller, right? Our own rest controller. Okay, now so come here, come, let's write the code. Okay, now I'm commenting this one. So come here. Okay, now what is that, already we have a url. Okay, copy this one. Okay, copy this one and paste inside here. Okay, paste inside here. Now in this time, this one also no need. Okay, so now three record, we have need to delete three record, make the three here. Okay, after then come here. Okay, so let's write it. What we will do now, guys, what we will do now, in the rest controller, right, rt dot what, it's also return type only, void only, delete method is there. Okay, inside that we will pass the just url only, right? After passing just url, what is that, sysout. Okay, na sysout, what is that, object is deleted, object is what, deleted. Now run the application, guys. Yeah, object is deleted. Which record number, third, right? Third, we are taking what, third, right? Come in the database. Now refresh it, already third is there, Ravikant, right? So now deleted Ravi. So see that Ravi is deleted. Okay, now so like that, we are using what, our using REST template, we are completing what, our own what, consumer application, guys. Okay, now consumer application, we seen that, yeah, we seen that what is that, provider, producer application and a consumer application also. First we tested our consumer application using what, Postman. After then we develop using what, REST template, our own client. Okay, so I see shown that, and tomorrow we will connect again, and what is that, REST, right? Swagger implementation, we will see that. Okay, now till now the things is clear, guys. Let me know that, use the chat box, guys. You people are satisfied with this session or not? Just I want to know these things. Okay, now I'm delivering